Hey, so if you're like me and your children have squashies and they get nasty, little hairs and little lints all over them and you just want to throw them away, well, there's an easy fix for it. I don't know if you can see it. You see all that little fine hairs and stuff? It is so gross on it. Okay, so I just go like this. Just get a little bit like rub it off. Rub it on, rub it on. You see how all the little stuff, it starts like peeling off into a little ball? You can just pull like a pinch off. Just do that. Now, let's get the rest of the powder off. Yeah! Yeah! And she can throw it on the floor, do whatever she wants with it.